I'm in Tehachapi right now. I think that's how you say it. I feel like I've been here before. Maybe this Flying J has a similar layout to one I've been to before, but I feel like I've been here before. We got snow, still rolling with flip-flops and socks. My logic for driving at night is to avoid traffic. Still got about an hour of traffic on the way here. The beauty of a van is now I could try to sleep. I'll upload this before I go to sleep. I still need to wind down. You know what I forgot? Mouthwash. You always forget something, right?
Where is John? Drives anything. I see a mini back right here. Do I need to head out for a rescue mission?
This is what a Pilot Flying J shower looks like. It's $18 now. It was $12, so remember that in 2024. So you have your own toilet, big shower. I'm wearing clothes. I'm not wearing a thong. No debauchery on my channel. I got to where I am by being honest.
Got Lane, we got Brad, we got a few vans. No John.
Tehachapi Pilot. My friends from the East Coast might laugh at me, but I'll say it anyway. This was the coldest night I've ever spent in my van. It was like 25 degrees last night. So I definitely needed my buddy heater and my electric blanket. Those came in handy. So tonight, yeah, I'm gonna run my batteries dry, running my electric blanket. So right now I'm charging up my laptop, all my electronics, and they'll be good to go for the night. And then tonight, I got one more propane tank and my electric blanket. I'm probably gonna run my batteries dry tonight. But it's definitely needed. It's definitely a necessity.
Where's John?
A beast, even among other overlanding vehicles. Here's my spot. I'm spot 51. Hold Fast is 52, and Adventure Ready is spot 53. So it looks like a tent camping spot, says right there. I'm not sleeping in a tent. I'm sleeping in my van. Looks like Jason set up a tent though. Check it out. 70 miles a gallon on this hog. Where is everyone?
Where'd he go? You scared him?
He's not moving, I see him still though.
By the big rock on the right?
No, the smart.
You saw a bobcat back there. I didn't, but Riley saw it.
Nice.
We had a bobcat sighting.
Really?
I missed it, but Riley saw it run up the hill.
Wow, that's awesome.
And this camera probably caught none of it. So,
See how it goes.
yep.
So I'm just gonna relax. It was a long drive last night, fairly long drive today. About 6-7 hours of total driving. So if you have a van build, or you're wanting to get into a van build, wanting to get into this hobby, get into this hobby. See, these are neat, but vans are the best. If you're watching my channel, most likely you're all about the vans too. So it's a good hobby because you configure your van to your liking. You figure it out. You figure out what's going to make yourself comfortable, you know, like what's my optimal setup for maximum camping enjoyment. That's why van builds are fun. 70 miles a gallon on that hog. All right, I'm going to upload this right now, hang out, and wait for everyone to arrive. I think they're out exploring right now. Lone Pine Van Meet. Hold Fast. Adventure ready van life. Looking forward to seeing that rooftop tent. Some guy with the 4Runner. He could pretend he's with us. We're eating at the pizza factory. I'm hungry, man. And then I just met this guy. I'll get to know him at the campground. We got a GM van. And then there's my van. Maybe we'll have some late arrivals.
So I'll do a little bit of wrap around or walk around these vans when we get back to camp today or first thing tomorrow. Give you a little tour of Brad's van. Awesome build out. He built this himself. Beautiful van. I think the Chevys just look amazing. The Chevys and the GMCs. I didn't realize this was a 2019. I didn't know they still made these vans that late into the model year. So it kind of opens up your eyes. Oh, well, I can get a newer van. I think 13 is a cutoff for 14 on the Econolines, which I'm happy with mine. But pretty cool looking van. 2019 on this thing.
Sleeping in a van crew checking in. We'll do a walk around of this tomorrow. This thing is nice. So we don't sleep in tents. We sleep in our van. So there it is right there. Now we'll take a look at Hold Fast's van again. This is the lifted Chevy.
Camburg lift on lanes. Ford stock, no lift on the Thomas Mobile. So the Adventure Ready Mobile. We're in a Ford commercial. Where could you get this thing to stock? But yeah, Camburg lift on here, right around 6 inches. I think he's sitting like 5.
You've seen this van before. Hold Fast's van. Put a bench seat in here. Why is a bench seat in here?
Because me and my friends have been mountain biking. It's
right
nice
on
to have
that.
a couple extra seating in there, but it is quick release. I've been taking it out. These little straps right here. And I can take it in and out. This is kind of a new configuration.
Okay.
I did.
Hey, that's healthy lifestyle though, man.
Carpet this.
And then he has his bikes right here. Right there. No engine. You're like using your legs like a real person.
Yeah, it's got an electric motor on this
Oh,
one.
does it?
Yeah, this one's got electric power. It's got
Where,
a
where?
battery on it. I can go about 50 miles on this
Oh, nice.
cheater mountain bike.
Okay, there you go. Okay, so you kind of have like a mini bike like us.
Yeah.
All right. Here's my van. You guys have seen it many times. But if you're new to my channel, this is a no build. Futon. Threw a carpet in there. TV. Fridge. Solar. Very simple, but it's exactly what I need. Something to sleep in. So there's a couple of our vans. There you go, guys. You don't need a van to join us. We got a Dodge diesel right here. And then we have a lifted Chevy with us right here. Lifted Chevy van. I'll show you guys this all in the morning. And then there's Jason's van. He's the one with small tires now. He's got the rooftop tent. Jose PhD is looking forward to this one. Rooftop tent.
What do we got going? Little penthouse pop top action on the Millennium Falcon. Stopped over and talked to James Pittman. Picked up a Pittman Outdoors pop top tent. Get you a full review after this weekend. Heading to Lone Pine.
When are you gonna get your lift, man?
I just lowered this thing, man. Leave me alone.
Oh, you got lowering kit?
Coming, ground effects, lighting,
There you
26-inch rims, deeps.
Well, you're still tall. You got the
We're
rooftop
going
tent. Yeah, there you go.
Pittman Outdoors pop top. That's the pop top suite. We'll pull it out tomorrow and do a little review on that bad boy.
Yeah, I know Jose PhD is looking forward to that one.
I think that thing's almost 7 feet long, man. I could grow to their foot and still fit in that thing.
There you go, man.
Perfect. Yeah, and the Dexteros, dude. You guys want to get good tires? Go to Walmart. So, the Dextero all-terrains. Lane, were these things mobbing snow today?
Yeah, you did pretty
These
good.
are mobbing snow.
are
They're
these-
probably 4 to 6 inches deep.
Are these method wheels?
Those are the Thethid. Thethid, is it called?
No, I got the same ones. And then Hold Fast, the OG van meat guy. And then last time I was being made fun of for my tires. Now I'm okay. We'll get more footage in the morning. Lone Pine, California. Diaz Lake. Mini bike life, van life. We're having our meet.
They mount them right on this A-pillar right there. B-pillar. And they mount them and then they have like,
There's my van.
I'm probably gonna get one of those.
And here's my mini bike. 70 miles a gallon on this hog. This is what a mini bike is good for. Just putting around the campground. Mini bikes and vans. Perfect match. A lifted van parked at Starbucks. I see a lot of pretty lifted vans at Starbucks on Instagram, but the difference is I actually get mine dirty. And some mini bike action. Headed home, coming from the Lone Pine van meet. I wanted to leave with a couple of hours of daylight left so I could enjoy the drive, enjoy the view. So I was talking to Brad about this. That's the guy with the lifted Chevy Express. And his reasons are different than mine. But we were talking about how we wish we got into this when we were in our early 20s. I got my first van build in my late 20s. I wish I did it a lot sooner, because in my early 20s I stayed home a lot. I didn't do much. I didn't get out much. And then when I did my first van build, I went out to the desert. I went out to the desert with my dogs, but I never explored like I explore now. And that's why I'm always talking to you guys and telling you guys, if you're younger and you want to get into this hobby, get into this hobby. It'll change your life. It's never too late to get into this hobby, but I especially push the younger guys because, yeah, as a young man, I stayed home too much. You know, I was one of those guys with girl problems, low self-esteem, and as you get older, all that stuff improves your self-esteem, improves your self-worth, improves. And I think I would have got there a lot sooner if I just got into this hobby more. Because, like, right now, I'm just enjoying the drive, taking my time, enjoying the drive, van life. So yeah, it looks like I got about an hour of daylight left.